I just wanted to show you how to use the Absolute Blonde font and create the classic Barbie effect, and it's actually very easy. So let's start. So all you have to do is create your text on, of course, on a new document, and write something. Okay, I'm gonna write, I don't know, I'm gonna write Barbie. Okay, this is in black. What I do is select and change the color on white and say okay. So you see you have your white text on your document. Okay, and I put a trace on the outside, and the trace can be as thick as you want, it can be small, it can be a little bit bigger, whatever you like is fine. Okay, and say okay, rasterize text, rasterize style, level style, and just add a drop shadow in the same color of your trace. Okay, and here where you have to choose the corner of your drop shadow, just choose something like 120 and 135. It's gonna work. Okay, just like this, just like this. Here it is. Very, very simple. Okay. Okay, so this is it. Just wanted to show you how it worked because people came to me and asked me, I cannot do the Barbie effect, how do you do that, and so on, and I just wanted to show you how I do that. And thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.